Welcome back everyone. Apple actually released iOS 14 today, as you guys probably know, and we'll take a look at it on the iPhone 7. Now this update overall I think is a really cool update. I think it's really important. I think it adds a lot of features, and this could possibly be one of Apple's biggest updates so far within the last couple years. But I'm going to tell you this right now, you should not install this beta just yet, okay? Wait until the public beta. I'm running this on an iPhone 7 that I do not use. This is not my main phone, and if you use an iPhone 7 or any device as a main phone, I would not recommend installing this beta just yet, okay? Now with that being said, I think this is a really cool update. It brings a lot of things that Apple should have added in a while ago. We're still missing one crucial thing, which is split view or split screen multitasking, but I'm pretty sure that's going to come with iOS 15 hopefully. Now this update size was about 4 gigs on basically all my devices. For some reason I didn't screenshot it, but basically on all of them it was like 3.8 to about 4.2 gigs, so make sure you have that much saved before updating, and that was from 13.5 or 13.5.1. And on my iPhone 7, I didn't run into an issue updating. It didn't boot loop or anything. It just took an extremely long amount of time to get into the actual software and to actually install it. It just kept saying preparing update. I've done all the things that I even mentioned in my other video that I did about it, and it just took a very long time. Eventually it was able to get installed on not only this iPhone but my other iPhone, but I didn't install it on my other one because I wanted to still do a comparison between them. But it took a long time. This was one of the last iPhones I did that I pretty much installed them at the same time. And this was the last one to get fully installed with it. And I just came off for running this benchmark, and I got a 485 on my single core score and 850 for my multi-core score, which is really weird because my iPhone SE has a higher multi-core score, but that could be because, I have less cores on that, more cores on here, so it's technically faster, but whatever. Wait, I take that back. This is a dual core, so I don't really understand what happened. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Now, talking about some of the more important features, the biggest one, as you guys can probably see that's most evident, is that we have these home screen widgets on our screen now, which is literally so cool. And in order to add it, all we do is swipe to the side, and this is the new widget panel. Pretty much it's the same thing, but with, widgets that can be dual like this. And if you want to add these widgets to your home screen right here, all you have to do is hold it down, get into this little panel, click edit home screen, and it's just like any other app. You just want to hold it down, swipe to the side, it'll come into the other panel at some point. Okay, I eventually got it, and you can just drag it around just like any other app, and the apps maneuver around it, which is really cool, and it's so intuitive. You can also delete these pages of apps too if you need to, and I can't wait until third-party developers actually go and utilize some more of these apps and these widgets. I think there could be a huge thing. Some apps already use these widgets, but wait until they actually start using them here for these home screen ones. That'd be really cool. And we also got this cool little update with this app library thing. So what this basically does is that all your apps are pretty much here. So if you click on this top little search bar, all your apps are listed here in this search view, which is really cool. In this list view, sorry, and you can click on all these apps. They're completely capable, but a really cool thing is these apps right here. Now, me personally, I'm probably not going to use this at all, but I think it looks cool. I think a lot of people could use it for a lot of things, and I think if you're going through, they break it down for a lot of different areas. So this one is called the app library, which is really cool. And one of the biggest features, in my opinion, that's probably going to be used by a ton of people is the new redesigned incoming call user interface. So when people call you, guys know it takes up the whole entire screen. Now with this new update, it doesn't take up the whole screen anymore, which might seem like a small update for you guys, but it's a hugely annoying thing when every single time you go in to get a call, it takes up the whole screen. You can't even use your phone. But now it just comes with a small box. You can dismiss it if you want to, and I think that's a really awesome thing as well. Now another really cool thing is the native picture-in-picture. And for some reason my Safari is being really weird right now and it doesn't want to load, but basically we have picture-in-picture enabled just like how we do it on the iPads. But for some reason it doesn't work on the native YouTube app. Okay, there we go. And for some reason the network's being really weird. I don't know what this is. It's definitely an iOS 14 issue, but it'll get fixed over time. But we have picture-in-picture now just like how we have it on the iPads, which is really cool. So a really awesome thing too. It's one of my favorite things, and I'm going to be using that every single day for literally everything. Siri also got an update as well. If you hold down the home button, you enable Siri. You can see that Siri does not take up the whole screen either. It's a small little circle right here. You can tap on it, get Siri's attention. You can click to go off. You can hop out of it just by clicking the home button. That's another really awesome thing. So unintrusive. Just a quick little update that they did, and I think that's a really awesome thing. They didn't even have to do it in this update. I'm so glad they did. That's a really cool thing. Now Messages got an update as well. You can now pin conversations within here, which is really cool. I don't even know what the heck I was trying to say there. You can also add people within iMessage conversations as well, which is a really huge highlight. Memoji, there's new Memojis, there's new emojis too, which is really cool. A couple other things got updates as well, actually a lot of different things which I can't talk about all in just this one video, but Maps got a quick little update, CarPlay got an update, and the U1 chip has more capabilities within all these iPhones as well, whichever ones support that U1 chip, so which I think is the AirPods, so AirPods, whatever one, whatever, it doesn't matter. And ultimately, I mean, should you update? Absolutely not. You should not even think about updating yet, but wait until the official version comes out, at least in the public beta form, and then think about updating. So that's really pretty much it, guys. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys could check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.